guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Georgian Nicole here. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. Today I filmed this very simple everyday makeup look that you can wear if you're gonna run some errands, if you maybe have a very casual meeting or for work, you know, something like that. I will explain to you what I'm doing, you know, simple tips and tricks that you can use to make this makeup application very simple and easy. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So my brows are already complete. If you would like a detailed eyebrow tutorial on how I get my brows looking all neat and sharp, I'll be linking that below so you can check that out. Now I'm going to moisturize my skin using my Pond's I'll be priming with my Fenty Beauty primer. And I'm only taking 1 pump of this. The reason why you have to moisturize your face and prime before applying your foundation or applying your base is because it will help with the longevity of the foundation. So if you're going to be wearing it for a long period of time, it helps with the upkeep of how the foundation looks throughout the day on your skin. Usually, if I know that I won't be wearing my foundation for a long period of time, I don't even bother to waste my primer. I probably will just still moisturize my skin, but I probably won't even prime. Usually, I use 4 pumps or sometimes maybe 5, depending on the type of look that I'm going for. But being that it's a simple everyday makeup look, I'm just going to use 2 to 3 pumps. I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 350. So I used to bring my foundation up to like very close underneath my eyes here, but I've stopped doing that because it causes too much. It can cause too much cakiness. So I will just bring it very close, but not to the exact top, and then I will apply my concealer right there. So the less product that you have close to where you know you may have creasing, is the less likely for it to crease. So I took a different route today. I started my face makeup first before I started my eyes because the eyes are going to be very simple. So I'll need minimal amount of product there. So I decided to do my face first. I'm going to take my MAC Pro-Longwear concealer in the shade NC42. And I just took 2 pumps of that. I'm going to be setting with my Sacha Buttercup powder. So I used to blow on the sponge each time I dip into the powder because I don't want to put too much powder on. So instead of blowing, another technique that you can do is tap the excess off on the back of your hand, or if you have the cover, tap it on the back of the cover, and then you can just go in. Now I'm going to balance out the rest of my face using my MAC NC42 Studio Fix powder, using my small kabuki brush. I use that same powder to contour my nose. I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. blending brush. This is how it looks. I'm going very light-handed with this portion, being that it's everyday. Everything that you apply, you want it to make it very minimal. And we're keeping it simple, so no eyeshadow today. I'm going to use the same powder as to act as an eyeshadow for today. So you're just going to take it into the crease here, just to deepen up the crease a little bit more, to give your eye a little color, just not too much. So I'm just going with circular motions. Don't always need eyeshadow. And you can just build that up until it's to your liking. And that's it. If you would like, you can use fake lashes, like simple fake lashes, but for today I'm just gonna go in with some mascara, and it's the Covergirl Professional Super Thick Mascara. And if you have lashes like me, I do have naturally long lashes. Even if you don't, you can use this technique. What I do is use the very tip up here where you see the mascara on top. Instead of going in this way first, I'm gonna use the tip, like basically windshield wiper motions. So this helps to extend your eyelashes first. So this is before even doing the regular technique, and if you can see the difference already, I just start going up. When I take my time, I try to go as far down as I can to stretch my lashes, and you can repeat this technique till you get the style of lashes that you would like. This used to be me every day. I didn't used to use fake lashes. This was always me. People used to think that I would have on fake lashes whenever I do this, because I go over and over until I get them looking full. People would ask me, "Oh my gosh, like what type of lashes you wearing?" I'm just like, go back in with the same NT45 powder, and I'm just going to apply some of the powder down here on my lower lash line. Now I'll be taking a simple black liner. It's a Jordana liner. I'm just gonna line my waterline with this. You see how my eyes have just opened up so much more. So I'm going to contour, just a light contour, nothing too in-depth. Just going around the perimeters of my face with whatever is left on the contour brush, because that's it. A little bit of blush as well, so I'm going to use this one right here. I'm gonna spray my face using my Maybelline Master Fix. Going over with the beauty blender just to blend everything out so it looks more skin-like and more seamless. If you want to open your eyes a little bit more, you can use some more mascara just at the bottom lashes. Okay, and we still need a little bit of glow, you know. I'm going to use my Master Chrome highlighter today. This one is in the number 150. I'm going to use my fan brush. Spraying your face first before applying your highlighter helps your highlighter to pop a little bit more. If you're not about the glow life, then this step is also optional. You don't need to highlight if you don't like that. Just going in with a smaller brush, adding some highlight in my tear duct area, my brow bone. For some of you, if you don't have a very pronounced Cupid's bow, that's a little technique that you can do with your highlighter. Just do 2 strokes. So you do 2 strokes coming down and then you can just highlight, or even a stroke in the middle. There you have it. Now I'm gonna do my lips. I'm gonna be using a liner today. It's a cherry liner. I got this from my coveted box, I believe last month. This is how it looks. Because this liner has like a little pinkish tint to it, you can leave it this way if you'd like, but I'm gonna add some gloss. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I sincerely hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Please don't forget to like this video, to share, and to subscribe. I really appreciate the support that I've been receiving. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for more videos from me. I'm Georgian Nicole. God bless you and take care. Bye.